Hey everybody, welcome to the adventures of the Oklahoma Grunt Man. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. Just in the house here waiting for the storm to move in. Hasn't done anything yet except get cold and windy. We haven't got any snow or rain or anything yet, but they said we could have some in here by noon, which is about 2 hours from now. But yeah, just hope you're having a wonderful day. I got up early, got my workout out of the way. So today, my goal is I got a chicken breast that I had in the freezer. It's called the hot honey. I'll show it to you here. Okay, this is the chicken breast. It's a hot honey chicken breast. And as you can see, I got my meat slicer and my crock pot out. I'm actually going to slice some of it up and make some luncheon meat out of it. And I'm going to use some of it. I'm going to make me a pot of chicken soup today. So I'm going to slice some of it. So yeah, this is what the inside is. I'm gonna just slice some of it here, and it's been a while since I've used this, but this is what it looks like sliced up. But when I get pieces like this, I'm just going to cut it up and throw it in the crock pot. And I might slice this a little thicker. But yeah, that's the gist of that. I'll just bag this up and I can use it for soups and stews and sandwiches, whatever. But I'm just going to cut up a bunch of it and get my soup started. So I just wanted to bring you along for this. So we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, now I'm going to get my chicken soup started. I got a small onion here I'm going to use. I'm going to use a can of mixed vegetables, and I'm going to add some extra carrots because I really like carrots. I got some chicken broth here. I don't have enough, so I'm going to have to make some of my own. So I got some chicken bouillon here and water, salt, pepper, and Creole seasoning, and I'll add some garlic to it also. I forgot to grab it, but so the first thing I'm going to do is dice up my onion. This isn't a real big onion, but it's big enough for my pot of soup. If I need more onion, I can always add some dried onion in it. I like my onion diced up pretty small. I really don't like big chunks of onion. Pretty strong onion. And can anybody tell me what makes you cry when you slice onion? What causes it? If you know, comment down below. What causes you to cry when you're slicing or dicing an onion? An onion's actually really good for you. I've come to like onion more the last few years than I ever have. I really love the flavor of onions. The reason I dice them small is because I'm not real fond of the texture of an onion. That's why I don't like sliced onions. And also I'm going to use, I bought these in Missouri. They're lemon pepper, cholesterol-free homemade noodles. So I'm going to use them also. And you always want to make sure you got more liquid on than you think you're going to need, because when you put the noodles in, they'll soak up a lot of that water. And I'm using my Epic water filter water. I really love that Epic water filter. I use it a lot. Okay, I'm also going to use a little Creole seasoning. Shouldn't need a lot because that's already a hot honey chicken. And I'm using some of the chippy salt that Karina Rafter sent me from Australia. And of course black pepper. Grab the can opener and we'll put the vegetables in and we'll get this turned on. Okay, I drained all the juice off the mixed vegetables and the carrots. We're going to add them in. And I'm going to use some minced garlic. And also, I got some celery. If it's any good, it's been in the refrigerator for a while. But if I can get a little bit of it, I'm going to. And here again, I don't like big hunks of celery, so I dice it kind of small. Well, between the garlic and the onions, I'm crying big time. But it all adds good flavor. Okay, the noodles I won't add until later this afternoon before it gets done. If I put them in there now, they'll just turn to mush. Okay, we got her on, and I'm just going to let it cook all day long. Hopefully it'll be ready by dinner tonight. And then once it gets warmed up, I'll come and I'll check it again and see if it needs any more seasoning. It should be really good already with that chicken already being seasoned and the simple spices that I put in it. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll show it to you tonight when it's ready for dinner. Hey everybody, just hanging out here with Tristan. He come over here.
We were actually debating on it yesterday if you watched Keith's video. It's not doing nothing yet. I got out of the gym all right, and they said maybe some flurries and stuff around noon. Well, it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
We still haven't got anything.
Nothing. So, but I'm keeping a close eye on it. If it gets picking up, I'll definitely head home, and before it gets terrible. But we wanted to hang out a little bit today, and we're gonna get it done.
Yeah, so we're gonna go drive around and show you guys a little bit of the skies.
And I was just telling Keith when I walked in, the sky's looking ominous.
It is. It's looking pretty bad out.
And Keith, it's cold.
It's cold. It is chilly.
I've got 3 layers on. Keith is in shorts.
My truck says 15 degrees.
That's not wind chill. I think the wind chill on my phone said -6 because of the wind we're having.
But we decided to take old Blue out because I haven't had it running today. So I took the Buick to the gym this morning. It was good and warmed up.
But basically, we're just gonna play it by ear and see what it does. They can predict all they want on the YouTube videos and the newscast, weather forecast. You just don't know. It's all a guessing game.
Yeah, I mean, to me, they're making a big deal of it down here, which I understand it because it don't happen down here like it did up in Iowa, of course. But people yesterday when I went to Walmart it was ridiculous. The store was just packed.
Wonder what it is today. Oh man.
Yeah, I didn't even go up there today. But yeah, we just wanted to get you guys a little video. We'll go out to Crystal Beach and show you some of the views from out that way. And
our 4th year anniversary of filming together should be coming up.
it would have been my mom's birthday today.
Oh, yep. Happy birthday to Keith's mom.
Happy heavenly birthday.
February 19th, I believe.
19th, I believe it was too, yeah.
And it was cold last year.
Last year it was bitter.
That was bad.
It was cold.
What was the wind chill? It was something negative.
It was well into the negatives. The air temperature was right at 0.
But we're either way still this year. If I don't have any doctor's appointments or nothing, we're still gonna.
We'll go out.
No matter what the weather, we're gonna go out there and try to get you guys a video and a picture, because that's our anniversary. Basically, starting our channels.
YouTube anniversary, yep.
Of course, we both started our channels before that.
But we didn't
know what we were doing.
We didn't really start it.
Yeah.
You had more videos than I did.
Yeah, I was kind of dipping my toes in the water of YouTube and figuring it out, but we still don't know what the heck we're doing. Talking like we're some professionals, we're definitely not. I just do it for fun and make memories, and it is what it is.
Yeah, I'm not a professional editor. If I was a big YouTuber, somebody else would get hired to do that.
You know, I'm not going to sell myself short, but we have learned a lot. We have. It just takes time.
That's the key word, time. Yeah, we could both do better if we take the time to do it.
And sometimes we do. I really edited my watch video. I was happy with that.
Yeah, that was a good video.
A lot of time on that. But our day-to-day vlogs...
Blinker don't work on that vehicle, evidently.
They didn't make it that year, did they?
No.
But yeah, anyways, I spent a lot of time on that video. But our day-to-day vlogs, we usually, honestly, with you guys, sometimes you just compile the clips and load it.
Load it, add a little music and some clips, or some...
stickers or thumbs up,
emojis. Emojis, yeah.
That's not in the word.
Or some text.
Yeah. But you guys still support us, and it's unreal, Keith. I'm 27 away from 6,700. 6,700. 6 or 7. Jessa.
Just for Jessa again.
Grayson sent me a message yesterday. See if I...
Yeah, he sent me one last night.
Pull it up here. I was rolling. He goes, "Love the flannel and the Burt Reynolds stash again." Yeah, great people.
But we'll let Tristan get a clip here, so we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, Tristan went to go out and walk and get you guys some video of the lake. I didn't dress warm enough to go out there for any length of time. And I'm just going to leave the pickup run and get good and warmed up. But yeah, it's chilly. We're just preparing for the winter weather to move in. And yeah, we're just making the best of the day. I actually thought it would have been started by now, but it's still not here yet. But I got the chicken soup going at home, and Tristan went out here. He come over for a little bit today before the snow moves in. And if we get snowed in tomorrow, I think we're going to do a dual live on Tristan's channel, because I can't go live with a dual on mine for some reason. I can't get Tristan to join in, so. But anyway, we'll talk to you later. God bless. Do it like this.
Yeah, it's a better angle.
Hey everybody, we got you on dual camera mode. We're just leaving Crystal Beach, the lakeside over here. The wind is really cold. Tristan said it was colder down by the lake.
Yeah, the closer I got to the water, wow. I had to start walking back to the truck because it was miserable.
I was just telling Tristan, I seen on Facebook that they added more trout to the lake yesterday. I'm not going fishing.
Yeah, Keith out here tomorrow in the heavy snow or whatever.
But if we do get another nice day coming up here in the future, I might get the rod and reel out and go fishing again.
Well, and like Keith and I were saying with our resolutions or goals or what have you, we just need to do it. And
yeah.
we have. We've been doing it. We've been eating better. We've been going to the gym. We've been getting videos for you guys. We've just been doing it.
Yep.
And that's how we can keep it up. Keith, we've been doing a great job. I can't complain.
No, I can't complain.
We've stayed really consistent with it. So basically, we've been setting our mind to stuff, and we've just been doing it. If there's an opportunity that opens, Keith, we've done it.
Yep.
So that's a great start to the year so far. Now let's just get past this cold winter weather. But yeah, seriously, prayers for everybody that's going to be impacted. Especially, looks like North Texas is miserable. That's going to be sad. I don't know quite what to expect here, like I was saying on my channel, but I really hope and pray that people stay safe.
The last I seen, tomorrow was going to be the brunt of it.
Yeah.
Today is not going to be a whole lot. They said that more of it tonight. We'll get the first round, and then tomorrow we're going to get round 2.
And that's the heavy.
That's going to be the heavy stuff.
Heavy round, yeah.
So, but as long as the ice stays away, I'm good with the snow. I mean, I can work around the snow and.
But again, our neighbors in Texas, oh wow, it looks nasty.
They're talking up to an inch of ice.
And that's not good.
I mean, that's accumulated ice. They're talking like 3 or 4 inches of rain and freezing rain, and an inch of ice on the power lines will bring them. It'll snap them poles like twigs.
And you hate to see it for anybody.
Oh yeah. But I was listening to our Governor Stitt today, and they've been kind of proactive with this storm. He said they've been putting the state workers are on 12-hour shifts. They get 12 on, 12 off. They called in all kinds of state troopers and having them work extra. And they worked with the power companies and gas companies to make sure we're set up. Instead, like the last time, I wasn't here the last time that it happened, but the gas companies didn't have any reserves or anything like that. Well, everybody's without electricity and without power and heat. So I will commend our governor. He's got the power companies stationed all around the state ready to go if there's a trouble somewhere. So hopefully if we do have power outages, it'll just be short term, and the power companies will be able to get out and get them back up and running. And pray for them guys. To go out and work in a snowstorm with high powered electric can't be fun. But yeah, everybody's preparing for it. I mean, I didn't go crazy at the store yesterday.
Yeah, we just got the essentials and stuff that we needed, not overbuying anything.
I can eat out of my freezer for over a week if I wanted to, so I'm not going to starve to death. I got chicken soup on right now, and that'll last me. If I just ate that every day of the week, it would last me for 3 or 4 days. So yeah, I'm not going to starve to death. And don't hurt me to miss a meal. But I actually only eat one meal a day. I do 2 shakes and 1 meal. But you want to go anywhere else?
It's up to you. You're the one driving.
We'll go up and drive by Walmart just to check it out.
I don't know how busy it'll be, or maybe it won't. Maybe everybody
did it yesterday.
Yeah, because it's pretty cold today.
But anyway, we'll just let you know when we get up there and see what it's like. Hey everybody, we're coming up to Walmart. We'll see how busy it is today. So far it looks pretty busy. Yeah, I don't think it's quite as busy as yesterday.
There's still quite a few people here.
Yeah, there's still a bunch.
But I guess if you need your last minute stuff, today is the day to do it.
Today's the day to do it.
Because we really don't know what tomorrow's going to bring, honestly, Keith.
Yeah, you might not get here tomorrow.
Maybe we'll get 0 inches. Maybe we'll get 2 feet.
2 feet.
I just can't tell you. I've seen all kinds of predictions and forecasts over the last few days. So...
But yeah, I don't think it's quite as busy as it was yesterday.
It's still pretty stout.
But it's still... I don't want to go in there, I'll tell you that.
They didn't sell much
Ice melt?
because we just seen that, what was it, yesterday?
Yesterday, yeah.
They just sold a few bags, I guess, unless they restocked it up, but I wasn't here, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't either.
Got more topsoil in the storage there. I'm glad they don't have their plants in yet. Wow, that would be... But yep, there's Walmart.
That was Walmart, yep. Hey everybody, Tristan and I decided to go to Brahms and get a cup of coffee. Beans were out and about. And yeah, we're going to get hit with the snow down here in the south, and the people up north, they're in the bitter deep freeze cold. So yeah, this is affecting pretty much everybody in the United States, at least the eastern half. But yeah, we decided to go get a cup of coffee on this cold day and have a nice hot cup of coffee. So, and we haven't been to Brahms in a long time.
Stride Bank.
Take it in stride. Oil.
There's vehicles out on the road, but it's not super busy. But it's not super busy at the restaurants and businesses. It's kind of busy on the road itself, but not very many people at the restaurants.
Well, it's kind of an odd time, late,
Yeah.
or mid-afternoon.
2:24 p.m.
Okay.
Hot.
Yeah, this heater is heat. Old Blue does have a good heater and air conditioner.
Told Keith a little bit ago it could burn you out of here. It's warm.
It was me. I was almost starting to sweat.
But yeah, it looks like the DOT did a pretty good job on the main road anyway.
Yeah, they already got it treated.
We'll see how well that works
They
with
said
what we get. But
they said it works down to like 15 degrees. And once it gets colder than that, then it really don't do much. But it might prevent black ice from forming.
that's the thing. If you can get out of your house from the side roads, most people, onto the main road, you're probably fine. But if it's a side road, you might struggle.
Yeah, the city streets are not gonna get plowed. I can almost guarantee that. But yeah, that's backhoes, little kitty cats.
Oh, and also prayers for the truckers that have to drive in this across most of the United States, especially the Texas area. That's going to be miserable.
Yeah, about the only thing they can do is pull over and wait it out. And it kind of sucks because if they don't drive, they don't get paid. So, but getting paid or saving your life is, you just do what you got to do, I guess. But yeah, I had a good workout this morning. Really pushed it on the treadmill. I almost got to the 1 mile. I was 0.92 tenths of a mile. So
Wow, they're getting everything set up.
5 Below is getting close.
Okay.
That one's in a hurry. I love it. Oh, then they got to turn. In a hurry to turn. Got to be an idiot driving that. People
have got to be careful when this ice and snow. You got to be careful.
Yeah, that's
the
person that's going to be in an accident right there.
You're not only risking your own life, but others.
Others, yeah.
Just be as safe as you can and be smart on the road. Don't drive too fast on the ice or snow. It could go wrong very well.
It can go bad in a second.
Shop United.
Yeah, I hope our United gets to stay open. It's really struggling.
Yeah, the
financially.
Shelves are bare, and
they're looking for a new buyer. So if we lose United and have to just rely on Walmart, we're going to get hit hard here in Woodward because Walmart has control then, and
they could hike their prices something fierce.
Yep. So I pray that somebody buys them out, or if they get
something new in here,
financial turnaround, or something new even. But we need competition with Walmart for grocery stores.
Aldi's, we could have Jumbo Foods,
anybody. Winco. I would really love to see a Winco move in here.
What was the one in Enid?
That's Jumbo.
The one with the quarter?
Oh, that's Aldi's.
Yeah, I liked Aldi's. That was a nice store. Keith isn't inspired by Starbucks to go.
No.
He don't want to pay $5 for a cup of coffee when he can. I'll show you guys the receipt when we get it. I'll get Keith and I a cup of coffee, and you compare it to Starbucks price. As much as I love them, Starbucks is substantially higher.
A lot higher.
But I love Starbucks. Nobody's ever going to convince me otherwise. It's a nice treat, But we go, our banter back and forth just for fun. We go back and forth with the Starbucks. That's all in good fun. If I really wanted to go there, Keith would go with me. But when I can pay $2 for a cup of coffee or $5,
I won't go there by choice.
No. No. There would have to be no other coffee shops around or no other options, and I bet you.
And I would have to be really, really craving a cup of coffee.
You'd make it at home 10 times before you.
I would make it at home first.
Yep.
But we're here at Brahms, so we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, Tristan got coffee. 2 coffees, the total cost was $3.70. So we got 2 coffees for the price of one.
Less
than the price of one at Starbucks. So yeah, this is going to be good on a chilly day out there. Hey everybody, Tristan's just getting ready to go home, so just wanted to close out. We had a real good live on his channel. You can go watch the replay if you want. It was very fun live.
No trolls.
No trolls. Yeah, we had actually
Very respectful people in there.
New subscribers, and
I got 5 new subscribers from it. So if you subscribed and you're seeing this, thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. We definitely appreciate it. But yeah, Tristan's getting ready to head out. And,
well, I'm actually going to go start my car quick.
And the weather hasn't moved in yet.
It's gotten windier and colder.
Just the cold and wind is here. It's cloudy, but no snow yet. But we'll see what we get when it's all done. Tristan just said now it's 3 to 6 instead of 6 to 12. So
6 or 7. Yeah,
6 or 7. So we'll just see what we get. I really want some snow if we're not going to get any other weather, but because we need moisture, it's dry. But anyway, yeah, Tristan's going to go start his car, and yeah, I'll probably be finishing up my video here soon and getting it uploaded, so we'll talk to you later.
Hey everybody, I want to get some extra footage for Keith's vlog here. Heading out to start my car before I leave. Wind is picked up. It's cold. Wow. But yeah, just gonna start my car here, let it warm up before I head out. But Keith and I had a really good afternoon. We had some coffee. I treated him to that, and we just had a really good time with each other, hanging out. Didn't do a whole lot fancy, but we just enjoyed each other's company and hung out. So yeah, hope you guys subscribe to Keith's channel. He's doing real well with it, and I'm happy and proud of him. So if you guys want to, you can subscribe to my channel, Vlogging with Tristan. Yeah, it's cold, so got my car started, waiting on it to heat up, and there's Keith's vlog. Back to Keith. Upside down.
Upside down.
He roasted me for it.
But anyway, yeah, we're probably going to wrap up the video here real soon, so we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, it's time to add the noodles to the chicken soup.
Looks good. Smells great.
Looks good.
Did you try the broth yet?
No, I haven't tried it. I'll try it here in a minute.
Then you'll have a nice, warm, hearty meal tonight.
I should have enough to make some food prep also.
Oh yeah.
But I got these noodles at the Amish store in Missouri. They're lemon pepper, cholesterol-free noodles. And I really like lemon pepper, so this should go good with the chicken soup. I didn't put a lot in there because I really don't need that many noodles. It's hot. Oh yeah. Tristan's got to try that. It's got some heat to it.
I'll get it here.
Oh,
That's good.
good spice.
Yeah, that's good. But yeah, we're going to let them noodles cook down, and that's going to be my dinner for the night. Just wanted to share that with you. We'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, just need to finish up my video here. Tristan just left a little bit ago, and I figured I better start working on my video here and get it finished up. Still not snowing, but it could any time. Don't know what the weather's going to amount to. Today is not supposed to be as much as it is tomorrow. So we'll just wait and see. What we get, we get. What we don't, we don't. I don't really want a blizzard either, but I would like to get some precipitation to get the ground some water, but it's all God's will. Whatever He wants to give us, that's what we're going to get. So, but yeah, we had fun in the live on Tristan's channel today. My soup will be ready here for dinner after I get this done and the noodles get cooked, and we'll probably show you what that's like in tomorrow's video. But anyway, if you want to support my channel in other ways, you can become a member. 99 cents to start. First tier, $1.99 for second tier. Definitely not required to do it, but it definitely helps my channel with some of the expenses that I have. And also the super chats and super thanks are always on. If you want to donate that way, feel free. Definitely, again, you're not required to, but it definitely helps my channel. Some of the stuff costs a lot of money to get done, and it just, the way everything is nowadays, it costs a lot of money. But there again, you're not required to, but if you feel blessed that you want to bless me with a gift, it's much appreciated. And also, you can check out the Amazon wish list and the Walmart wish list. It's always in the description of every video. If you want to check that out, you can check it out. There again, not required to, but there's just things in there that helps my content grow. So anyway, I'm babbling on again. Like I always say, treat everybody the way you want to be treated and make this world a better place. Keep moving toward your goals one step at a time. Be nice, be kind. Just be the most awesome, wonderful, and amazing person you can possibly be. Keep the Lord in your heart. Say a prayer for somebody who needs it. Help somebody if you can. And always remember to dream big. And also keep all the first responders and the people in Texas, well, people everywhere that's going to be affected by the weather, the people up north with the bitter cold weather. Just say an extra prayer for everybody. It's going to be a rough week, so yeah, just keep everybody in your thoughts and prayers. Keep Selena Raymer in your thoughts and prayers. She's going through some health problems, and yeah, always pray for Selena. She's a wonderful, wonderful subscriber and friend. I consider her a friend anyway. And yeah, just keep everybody in your thoughts and prayers that's going through tough times. We all got problems, and we all need prayer. So anyway, yeah, it goes back to keeping the Lord in your heart and saying prayers for everybody. Prayer is a big part of my life. So anyway, I'm babbling on here again. God bless you guys. Love each and every one of you. And we'll talk to you tomorrow.